Are you ready to explore the world of electronic drumming without worrying about noise complaints? Electronic drum kits bring flexibility and excitement to drummers of every level, from beginners to pros. Whether you're practicing quietly with headphones or rocking out live, the right kit can completely transform your playing. In this video, we'll highlight some of the top electronic drum sets available today, breaking down their features, sound quality, and what makes each one stand out. Stick around as we help you choose the perfect kit for your drumming journey. For updated prices and details, check the links in the description below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss our future videos. Now, let's dive straight into the list. At number 5, we have the Donner DD200 electronic drum kit, a solid pick for anyone wanting an electric set that feels authentic. This kit uses full mesh drum heads, giving you a playing response that's remarkably close to acoustic drums. Built to last, these heads won't lose tension or wear out quickly, so you can focus on your music instead of maintenance. The 8-piece layout comes with an 8-inch dual-zone snare, 3 toms a kick, pad, and silicone cymbals, all engineered for balanced sound and reliable performance. What makes it stand out is the variety. You'll get 450 built-in tones and 31 preset kits, so your sessions always stay fresh. Plus, there are 50 play-along tracks along with tools like a sequencer and metronome to help sharpen your timing and technique. The Donner DD200 also arrives as a complete package, including a foldable metal stand, a bass pedal, and even a drum throne, making setup simple and comfortable, whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced drummer looking for versatility. This kit checks all the boxes. The Donner DD200 is ready to push your creativity and become your reliable partner in rhythm. At number 4, we have the Alesis AODSK electronic drum kit, built for players who want solid sound and straightforward design. This set delivers acoustic-like samples through 4 6.5-inch drum pads and 3 8-inch cymbals. You'll also get 10 preset songs and 150 instrument sounds to explore. Its foldable, lightweight build makes it easy to move around, and the silicone pads give you a natural feel close to acoustic heads. Built-in features like a metronome and LED screen keep your practice organized, while connectivity options such as USB MIDI and AUX input allow you to create and record with ease. Though the setup takes a bit of learning, its versatility makes it a solid option for beginners and advancing drummers alike. Coming in at number 3 is the Donner DD70 electronic drum set. This compact kit packs a punch with 4 mesh drum pads and 3 responsive rubber cymbals that feel great under the sticks. Designed with beginners in mind, it includes a practice coach module with play-along tracks to help build timing and technique. Sound variety is strong with 10 drum kits and 68 unique tones, backed by Clarity technology that makes the audio more realistic. Portability is another plus, since you can power it with a bank and take it anywhere. Adjustable stands make it easy to fit drummers of all ages. While it's simpler than some premium models, it remains a fantastic choice for kids and learners who want both fun and function in one package. Our number 2 spot goes to the Alesis Nitro Max kit. This upgraded version offers a full mesh setup that's quiet yet responsive, perfect for late-night practice without disturbing anyone. The standout is its advanced drum module, which includes Bluetooth and BFD sound libraries, giving you professional quality tones right at home. The 10-inch dual-zone snare, plus 3 mesh toms and 3 cymbals, give you the tools to play with expression and variety. With over 440 instruments, 32 preset kits, and 16 custom slots, you can shape your sound to match any genre. Plus, you'll have access to 90 days of online lessons, making it a great pick for both starters and skilled drummers looking to expand. While its rack isn't as heavy-duty as high-end kits, the foldable design saves space and works well for most setups. Finally, at number 1, we have the Donner DD80 electronic drum set, built with double-layered mesh heads. This kit gives one of the most realistic feels on the list, letting you practice techniques just like you would on acoustic drums. The sturdy frame ensures stability even during high-energy playing, and with built-in learning tools like a drum coach and 30 play-along tracks, your practice sessions become both effective and engaging. The DD80 also comes loaded with 180 sounds and 15 customizable kits, covering many styles. Whether you live in a small space or an apartment, you'll appreciate its quieter design and foldable frame for easy storage. While some players may prefer a heavier hi-hat pedal, its lightweight design actually helps reduce noise overall. It's an excellent all-rounder for both beginners and advanced drummers aiming to grow their skills. All the products we talked about are linked in the description below. Tell us in the comments which drum set you'd pick, and don't forget to like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews coming your way.